Click on the link below to get price. The CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM 128GB, 2x64GB, 6400MHz is an impressive offering for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This high-capacity memory kit not only meets the demands of modern gaming but also excels in heavy multitasking and content creation, making it an ideal choice for gamers, streamers, and creators. Right out of the box, the RAM sticks showcase a sleek design, featuring a black heat spreader adorned with subtle Vengeance branding. This aesthetic appeal makes them a fitting addition to any build, particularly if you prioritize a clean and stylish look. Installation is straightforward, with the sticks fitting snugly into standard DIMM slots, and the XMP 3.0 profile ensures quick and easy overclocking options, allowing users to achieve the advertised speeds with minimal effort. Performance-wise, the 6400MHz speed offers significant improvements over DDR4, particularly when it comes to bandwidth-intensive tasks. In benchmark tests, the Vengeance DDR5 RAM has demonstrated impressive read and write speeds, enhancing overall system responsiveness and reducing load times in demanding applications and games. The CL42-52-52-104 latency may seem higher than some alternatives, but the speed compensates for this, delivering smooth performance across various scenarios. The 128GB capacity is particularly noteworthy. For users engaged in video editing, 3D rendering, or running virtual machines, this generous memory allows for seamless operation without the constant need to manage resources. Even in high-demand gaming situations, this RAM can handle multiple applications running in the background without any hiccups. While the price point may deter some casual users, the investment in the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM is justified for those seeking top-tier performance. The combination of speed, capacity, and reliable performance makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to future-proof their system. Overall, this RAM kit stands out as a powerful asset for any high-performance PC build.